My PhD research all starts with a hedgehog. Weird, right? But yes, it's true. My parents didn't quite understand why I wanted to move to Australia to study hedgehogs, as they aren't even native here. But what they didn't know is that they are actually quite native in the lab that I work in. Here's how I explained it to them. To try and understand how a relatively simple egg can give rise to a complex body plan, scientists a long time ago discovered a gene that was critical for the development of individual body segments of the fruit fly. Fly larvae without this gene failed to develop and appeared stubby and hairy, thus inspiring this gene to be called hedgehog. But this hedgehog gene also applies to humans, as hedgehog is critical for the development of the forelimb skeleton, brain, gastrointestinal tract, lungs, and various other organs, and is considered the master regulator of embryonic development. Therefore, you could say that life all starts with a hedgehog. Hedgehog initiates development by transmitting vital information to cells, thus priming them for growth and development, where three hedgehog members called sonic hedgehog, Indian hedgehog, and desert hedgehog all activate the hedgehog signaling pathway to induce a specific type of developmental process. However, hedgehog is also involved in the initiation and maintenance of a wide variety of cancers. So life can both start and end with a hedgehog. And because of the various ways in which hedgehog can induce cancer growth, by either changes in the way hedgehog transmits information to cells, termed mutations, or from the production of too much hedgehog, drugs designed to specifically inhibit hedgehog targets in cancer have not been very successful in patient clinical trials. My research aims to further investigate how hedgehog communicates to cells during both of these two processes. The results of my PhD project shows evidence that specific loss of two genes can mediate increased hedgehog signaling during development in cancer. From studying the loss of these two genes, called P53 and RB, in mouse development, specifically brain and bone development, and in mouse models of cancer, specifically the pediatric cancers of the cerebellum and bone, and in various cancer cell lines in mediating this hedgehog addiction, there's promise that dual loss of both P53 and RB could act as a predictive genetic marker for hedgehog inhibitor drugs as a viable treatment option in cancer. Additionally, researching the mechanism that links both P53 and RB loss with hedgehog signaling could also identify additional targeted therapies and combination therapies for options for patients suffering from this dreadful and devastating disease. Thank you.